Um, hey you guys, it's me Lola. Yes, this is my page. The other girl, she's just my play mom, so yes, she's gonna do it. So I'm singing Climax. I was supposed to sing for the talent show, but I didn't. Going nowhere first, we reached the climax. We're together, now we're undone. Won't commit, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? Oh, I don't wanna give it, so we both gave up. Can't take it back. It's when we reach the climax, have fallen somehow. Feet off the ground. Love is a glove. Neck is raining down. Where are you now? When I need you around, I'm on my knees, but it seems we're going nowhere fast. We reached the climax. We're together, now we're undone. Won't commit, so we choose to run away. Everybody right here can all sing. We're a singing family, and we jamming. This is my little thing I made using my shades. Here goes my guitar and my bed. Wow, and stuff.